Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the brand new iPhone 17 Pro in deep blue. We're going to unbox it together and talk about all the new features. Let's get into it. Now, with the 17 Pro series, we get a new A9 chip. We have anti-reflectant coating. We also have 3000 nits of peak brightness. We have a new ceramic shield 2 for 3 times better scratch resistant and a 120Hz display. Apple actually created a new vapor chamber, so we will have less heat but better performance. The Pro series comes in silver, deep blue, and cosmic orange, which I have right here. I actually just filmed an unboxing and review on this one, so if you are a cosmic orange kind of person, check that out. Now, all three of the cameras are 48 megapixel dual fusion cameras, so we get 8 pro cameras in our pocket. We now also have an 8x zoom at 200 millimeters and a brand new 18 megapixel center stage selfie camera. Now, this is really going to take selfies to the next level. At the Apple event, I got to test it out, and right off the bat, I was sold. Now, having it in my hands, I'm excited to use these selfie features every single day. We actually have a new dual camera mode, which is really fun for shooting POV. So you can shoot the world around you and your selfie camera as well. So this is going to be really fun for sporting events or even just, oh, I have a good idea. At a birthday party, right? Like you can film yourself and the people that are with you and then the reaction and everyone around you. So you have your family and yourself. I don't know. I feel like that's a really fun new feature that I'm going to be testing out more every single day. So the dual camera feature is really cool. We also get enhanced stabilization for selfie videos as well. I actually just came back from testing it out. I went on a run. This is the footage of me running with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. And this is me with my iPhone 17 Pro Max going on a run. You can definitely see the difference, especially in the stabilization, but also you see enhanced quality in the image and the video, and I think it looks great. What do you guys think? You no longer have to turn your camera sideways to take a group photo. Now we just click on this center button and we're able to expand the field of view so everyone is in the shot. And also with AI, Apple Intelligence, when more people come in the shot, it widens so that we have the full horizontal image with everyone in it. Now, in terms of battery, we actually get 33 hours of video playback, and it can charge 50% in just 20 minutes. Now, of course, I had to get the tech woven case. Let's unbox that together. Whoa, it feels so interesting. Like, look at this. I feel like if you look super, super close up, it's like two different colors. Hold on. That feels cool. And it kind of has like a little lip. This is a snazzy case, I do have to say. Apple, hello. A lot of people are debating in my comments on which color they would choose because people are saying that the orange is too much and the blue is not a black, you know what I mean? But I really like this blue. I think like it's classic, and if you want a simple color and you usually go for black, I would say go for the blue. But if you're more fun and adventurous and you kind of like to go all out, you know what? The orange is really nice. Cosmic orange is really nice. Now, the iPhone 17s are built for Apple Intelligence, and I'm really excited to shoot a day in the life video for you guys so you can see how I'm using this day to day, what my favorite features are, and all of my honest thoughts and reviews. If you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, and there are tons more Apple content coming up for you guys. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!